Hi everyone, Vivek Patel here from Meaningful Ideas, and I'm very excited. This year I'm going to be doing 4 quarterly workshops for dads, for men. Anyone who identifies as a man is welcome. And this wonderful event is being hosted by Trauma Informed Parenting, a wonderful organization out of the UK that does amazing work, and I love collaborating with them. And we've been collaborating for a long time, so I'm excited to come as a guest speaker. And there's going to be 4 different topics that I'm going to cover. The first one is going to be discipline guiding, then working with our own emotions. Then the third workshop is going to be called Redefining Strength. And the fourth one is connection and cooperation. And so the first one is about discipline and guiding. You know, in the world, we're told that you have to force kids and control kids in order to guide them. But in fact, this isn't true. The more we control kids, the more we force them, the less they trust our guidance. And we really want to create a strong guiding relationship. My kid is 28. And she, to this day, she loves my guidance. She trusts my guidance. She seeks it out because it's always felt good to her, and she knows it's always improved her life. And this is the thing about guiding. So we're going to go deep into how to be an effective guide in the first workshop. In the second workshop, working with our own emotions, so important, because what happens inside of us, it comes out and it projects onto our kids. So if we have like a good relationship with our emotions, not repressing, not only feeling like a little bit, but being able to really open ourselves and feel our full range of our emotions. And that's hard because for a lot of people raised male, we're taught to kill those things. They're signs of weakness. I mean, just go on the internet and go into any comment section and just say a little something emotional and you're going to get called all sorts of names, right? So it still exists. And then for us to be able to be really present with our kids, to be able to access all of our emotions, and how to do that in a way that feels empowering and safe at the same time, right? So this is what we're going to talk about on workshop number 2. Workshop number 3 is called Redefining Strength. And again, about being raised male, you know, we're told strength is anger or strength is being tough. And yes, of course, being tough is important. Like I'm a lifelong martial artist. I have swords there, right? I raised my kid in the martial arts. I'm going to put a couple of pictures up here of me, like, the two of us doing martial arts together. And so she wasn't brought up like gently. And at the same time, we played with unicorns and we had tea parties and like, it's the whole range. And I feel like I was a much stronger and more powerful person for being able to do that full range of things with her, right? So that she could really feel me. And so like when we redefine strength, what does it mean to be strong mentally? How can we think clearly and with strength so that we're not letting other people do the thinking for us, right? How are we strong in our emotions? And how are we strong physically? And how are we strong relationally? Like there's different areas of strength and we're going to go deep into that so that we come out of it with a whole new idea of strength and it'll be so empowering. I love it. And workshop number 4 is connection and cooperation. And those two work together. Because when we have deep connection with our kids and when they're not afraid of us, when we're their safest person, then the feeling of collaboration and cooperation comes naturally. So connection leads to cooperation, and we're going to discuss that. How can we create in our homes, which connects to guiding, right? How can we create in our homes a really harmonious and functioning and collaborative community so that everybody's on the same page and we're all working together as a unit? And it's a beautiful feeling. It's so much better than power struggles. It's so much better than punishment and consequences. It's so much better than yelling at your kids to get them to do what you want them to do, right? If we can get everybody on side on the same team, it's just a glorious thing. So I'm looking forward to everybody who comes. This is a free workshops with the Trauma Informed Parenting Group, and they are an amazing organization that does really great work, and I love collaborating with them. And so please keep an eye out for the details, and that's everybody. Thank you very much, and peace out.